Make Spider-Man Miles Morales old suit and gacha online. Anyway, let's do this. Okay. Here, real hair, 300 and 455. Glasses, 1100 and 259. Oh God. God, don't stop. Stop it. Stop. I swear, if this doesn't stop, I swear it's definitely going off. Okay, base AC, 1100 and 430 and 34. Sleeve, 900 and 274. Oh yeah, that's it. Okay. Shirt, 34. Pants, 1000 and... Wait, nope. Pants, 900 and 262. What the heck? Dr. Octopus. That doesn't even look too realistic. But okay. Shoe, 5. And you're finished. Here's the... No. Gloves, 9. And you're finished. Here is the color. And here is the shirt. Color 2 for shirt. Eyes. Outline. Yeah. Okay. And you're finished.